All right, in this video, we're going to be talking about some risk management, and we are going to be talking about how to calculate PIPs. I was going to refer another video, which I may still do, just so you can get like a second view of it. That video is pretty long and more extensive. I'm trying to make this short and sweet on this one because I don't feel like it's a lot that needs to be explained through PIPs, but I know some people want deeper explanation, so I'll go ahead and link that other video in the description. So without further ado, let's go ahead and find out what PIPs actually are and how to calculate them. So
Real quick, if you're looking for a new broker or looking for a broker in general, try Liquid Brokers. My favorite broker. They have low spreads starting from zero. They have cheap commission fees. They're a regulated broker as well, so your money is protected. And they have different chartings that you can use and whatever best fits your trading style. Fast withdrawals, fast deposits, whatever you want. So yeah, check out Liquid
so
Brokers.
what a PIP is right now we're on a Euro USD, which is the most popular forex pair. If you see the price over here down to the right, you got 1.17754. So we're gonna put that here. So 1.17754. All right, so the pips are the fourth number from the decimal point, or the second to last number from the decimal point, because not all the prices have a fourth number. So in this case, we'll be at 5 here. We always exclude that last number, known as Y. It's just been a rule since the beginning of this time and era of trading. So for example, if we're at 1.11754, if we go up to, or let's say we go down to 1.17764, that would be considered a pip move of 1. So you only went up 1 pip. And if we are, let's say for example, we went up 1.17, let's say 85, we went up a 10 pip move. We're going to put the 4 too. We went up a 10 pip move. These are technically micro pips, but we don't count those. So here we went up 10 pips. And how to calculate that is right here. We have a micro pip, we have a mini pip, and then we have we have a micro lot size, we have a mini lot size, and then we have a standard lot size. So what that is how much money you will make per pip. And with this, all you want to do is move the decimal point to the right one time. So technically this would be 10 cents per pip. The mini would be $1 per pip, and the standard would be $10 per pip. So if we're using this example above and we went positive 10 pips, if we're doing a micro lot size, we made $1. So if we do this 10 cents times 10 pips equals $1, right? And same thing here. If we using $1 per pip, we went up 10 pips, we will make $10 here, or $100 on the standard. So if this moves, let's say for example, it goes from 1.11754 to 1.1792. Let's use a random number. So if this moves to 92, that would be 17 pips. So if we do 17 pips times 10 cents, that would be $1.70 in profit. So we're doing 10 cent per pip times the 17 pips. That'd be $1.70 for profit. If we're doing $1 per pip, that would be $17 per profit. I mean, profit per pip. I'm gonna cut that. And if we're doing the mini lot size and it's $1 per pip, that means if we go 17 pips, it'd be $17 profit. And here it'd be $170 profit because it's $10 per pip. So that's the basics of how you calculate pips. And with this, we use leverage accounts. So typically, if you have a $100 account, you don't want to use like $1 per pip when you're trading, because that can take your account fast. Usually you want to use like 20 cent per pip or 30 cent per pip. That's part of the risk management the risk management as well. So when you're using this, you don't want to over leverage to the point to where you are blowing an account if you lose a trade. You want to make sure you use 3% or less of your account. So if you have $100 account, you don't want to use $1 per pip or $2 per pip or $3 per pip. You want to divide that by 10 typically, and you want to use like 10 cents per pip to 30 cents per pip. Some people risk more. That's how they do it. I only risk 1 to 3% of my account because if I lose a trade, I'm not blowing an account. You come back, you trade another day, and you win. So yeah, that's basically it for the pips. Again, I'm going to link another video down below. It's longer, more extensive, and it goes a lot deeper into how to calculate pips, risk management, and stuff like that. But this is just the basics of it. I didn't want to sit and explain for 30 minutes in one video how to do this because that can get boring, honestly. But without further ado, we're going to start getting more into the meat and potatoes of the trading, how to use these charts, how to mark them up, and all that good stuff. So I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you for tuning in.